back to my channel. I'm cooking vegan dishes for you guys, really simple, really quick. If you guys new to veganism or curious about vegan food and what to cook, what can I cook. I know it's really hard, especially at the beginning, to sort of adapt to a vegan diet if you have been cooking, or maybe you guys haven't been cooking, but if you have been cooking, you have to sort of change your thinking a little bit, have to really get a lot of inspiration online, like on YouTube, here on my channel, or anywhere. Ask around, ask other people, read books about vegan cooking, and you know, you can join forums, vegan forums. There are some groups on Facebook that actually help people transition to a vegan lifestyle. And yeah, so that's what I did as well. I've always been passionate about cooking, and I'm quite busy these days, and I do appreciate not having to stand in the kitchen for hours and hours. And yeah, so this dish is so tasty, and you can chuck all the vegetables under the sun into it, whatever you like, whatever you feel will go with it. It is pretty much just, I guess it tastes a little bit like mac and cheese. Yeah, it's a white sauce based pasta bake. You don't have to prepare anything. You just take your dried pasta, put it in the baking tray, and put all the other ingredients in with it as well. Stir it up, chuck it in the oven, take it out, and eat it. So guys, I will see you after the video. Our beautiful, super easy, super quick pasta bake. You don't even have to pre-cook the pasta. Just pour in dry pasta in a baking tray, any shape you like, or different shapes like I'm doing here. Finely diced onion. Actually, it's just half an onion, but if you really like onion, of course you can put a whole one in there. That's really up to you. Doesn't matter for in this dish, it doesn't really matter how much you use. Some garlic. Again, you can use as much or as little as you like. It does taste really good in this dish if you put quite a bit of garlic in. I'm just slicing it very finely here. Also some zucchini, actually one whole zucchini. So I'm cutting this in bigger pieces because I do like my zucchini to be yeah, not completely cooked, not soft, not too soft in the end. So if you do like your zucchini really soft, of course, maybe cut it a little bit smaller. Now this is vegan sour cream from Tofutti. You can also make your own sour cream, that's no problem at all. And some leftover hummus. This is optional, but I still had it in the fridge. It needed eating, so I thought this would go pretty well in the pasta bake as well. Now the vegan cheese that I'm using here is also optional. I know some people don't like vegan cheese, but I quite like it. It melts really nicely, and it gives it, yeah, a little bit of a different flavor as well. Any cheese you like, or no cheese at all. Some herbs. I'm just using some rosemary from my garden. You can also use oregano, thyme, or even a Italian herb mix. But mine was actually empty. So some sweet paprika. It does go quite well in the dish. If you don't have it, you know, whatever, it doesn't really matter. Some pepper and turmeric. It is good for you, and it does go really well in the dish. It gives it a nice color as well. You don't have to put it in. But this, the yeast flakes, nutritional yeast, you'll have to put it in. Now salt, I'm using this mushroom salt. But I normally just use this Himalaya salt. But any salt, of course, will work. Plant milk, again, any plant milk you have at home, any plant milk you like. I'm using Cocoa Quench, and you do want the whole mixture to be very, very runny, because just remember the pasta is gonna need a lot of liquid to cook, to get soft. So this is it. Oh yeah, so half a lemon, actually juice of half a lemon, because yeah, I tasted the mixture and I thought it does need a little bit more tanginess, so this is what I'm putting in. A little bit more salt as well. Just taste it, guys. If you don't like it too tangy, just leave out the lemon, but I do like it like that. Pour it over your pasta and just make sure you put enough liquid in. Give it a nice stir, and you can see, yeah, actually I think it could use a little bit more liquid. If you don't have enough liquid, guys, just put some extra milk or water on top. Also, this is optional, some sliced tomato. And my homemade vegan parmesan. Now, this is one option you could do, and then you could also just do it with a muffin tray, like I'm showing you right here. I actually didn't have enough of the mixture of the milky zucchini mixture left, so this is just to show you the different options you have here. It does cook much quicker, of course, and I'm also not using any parmesan or tomatoes on this one. Just greased the tray, and yeah, so not enough, that's it. And put it all in the oven about 180 to 200 degrees Celsius, and this is it, baked, finished, and amazing. This is the little ones. Maybe if you cooked it a little bit longer, but actually this was cooked really well. Yeah, it does go quicker, and you could also maybe just freeze the little portions, and this is it, guys. Yummo! So this was it. It was quick, wasn't it? And I'm telling you, it tastes so good, and it really does taste a little bit like mac and cheese. And you could even, of course, use macaroni to make the dish, and it would be even more similar to mac and cheese. And yeah, if you like this video, or if you like any of my other videos as well, please subscribe, share, and tell other people about my channel. I would love to get more professional and tell you more about all vegan dishes, speedy vegan dishes, easy vegan dishes, tasty stuff, and also healthy stuff. And I will see you next time. Bye. Hello and thank you. Hello and thank you. Hello and thank you. Love to get more professional, and you guys can benefit from that as well, I hope. And I will see you very soon. Bye bye. No. So guys,